pit, 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 pats. Hi, legends.
Hi, Pit Pats. What are we doing today?
We're gonna do some breathing.
Oh, great idea. Breathing deep is a great way to help your body feel safe and calm. First, let's breathe in through your nose, filling up your belly and filling your chests. Then, slowly let it out. Good job. How does that feel?
When you breathe in, imagine a grass growing.
Breathe in, and after a couple of seconds, out through your mouth. That lovely air we're breathing is created by plants and trees. They breathe just like we do. But the stuff they breathe out is the stuff we breathe in. We're breathing buddies. They need our help and we need theirs. We're all connected. We can make the air we breathe cleaner by planting more trees. Let's breathe in some of the clean stuff. Breathe in through your nose and slowly let it out through your mouth. Another one in and out. Last one. Deep breath in and out. Did you know that even the mightiest trees grow from tiny seeds? There are so many different types. Caring for your plants requires 3 things: soil, sunlight, and water.
Rain and sun help grass grow. Did you know that? I think so.
Don't forget soil. They need to be planted in something.
Breathe
In
breathe
and
out.
In time, your plant will grow up and up. Some plants produce flowers. They come in all different shapes, sizes, and colours. Imagine you're your favourite flower. Feel your petals soaking up the sunshine and the breeze gently moving you from side to side. Take a deep breath in and blow it out like a warm, gentle breeze. You are calm. You are growing. You are a part of nature. Nature isn't always calm though, and neither are we. There will always be challenging, heavy days. Sometimes we feel like we're slow, sad, or weighted down, like there are rocks in our tummies.
Imagine all your favourite rocks you found. Ooh, like that one. Ooh, like that. Ooh, like that one.
But coming back to our breath can help us feel lighter.
When you breathe in, imagine the rocks floating. When you breathe out, imagine them going back down.
Deep breath in and out. Last one. Speaking of tummies, plants can also grow food to feed them. From bananas to broccoli, all fruits and veggies come from plants. What? Can you believe it? Aren't we lucky that nature provides us with everything we need to grow? Plants nourish the air and nourish your body. And that's why it's such a wonderful thing to plant your own. You could grow a giant orange tree or a tiny herb garden. No space is too small to invite nature in. You might even get visited by little buddies. Hey there, little fella. Our lives and the lives of plants are all connected. We help each other grow and thrive. We breathe in what they breathe out, and vice versa. Speaking of, we're going to take 3 deep breaths together. Breathe into your belly, make it feel really big, and then let it all out. Two more. Last one. But this time, it's got to be a super massive, huge breath in. The biggest you've ever done. Are you ready? Fill your belly and your chest up with all the air in the world. And let it all out. How do you feel? Does your body feel lighter? Do your lungs feel bigger? Remember, you are calm, you are growing, you are a part of nature. Bye, breathing buddies.